Hello, guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of logo in Blender. It's super easy and fun to make. First, delete everything. Now add a mesh. Give it 3 vertices. Now rotate 90 degrees on the x-axis. Then scale it up to 8 times. Now hold Shift-D to duplicate and press S to scale it. Then again Shift-D to duplicate and S to scale. Now select 3 middle corners. Press G and Y to grab the vertices on the y-axis. Press 2 for edge selection, select 2 edges and press F to fill. Fill all the vertices in this process. Now add a bevel modifier and set the amount to 1. Now shade smooth. Now open another window for shading. Add Voronoi texture and Musgrave texture, add a color ramp and add these. Select Musgrave texture and press Ctrl T and connect the vector to the object. Add a mix shader. Now connect color ramp into factor. Add principal BFDF to shader 2. Make sure that the color ramp cursor to the middle. Add an emission shader, connect to shader 1, and make the strength to 5. Now you can change it to any color you want, but I like the black one. Now let's make a surface for that. Add a plane, scale it and position it. Now subdivide it by 100 times. Add a subdivision surface and displace modifier. Make the strength to 0.1, add new. Click on this icon, click on new, click on image or movie and select the clouds. Make the depth to 24. Now you got a surface. Add a bump node, color ramp, and a noise texture. Connect those, select noise texture and then click on Ctrl T. Now you can play with these numbers. Now add watt for our scene. Add another plane. Now go to shader editor. Make transmission roughness to 1. Take the black color. Make metallic value high, roughness to low. Add a bump node, color ramp, and noise texture. Again do the same process. Now you can scale it up or down for waves. Now add a camera on possession and router in. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching.